Evvaluate can save you a lot of money, but only if you use it properly. This video will show you the basics in 100 seconds. Before we start, there are two important things to remember. First, different stores stock different brands, sizes, and options. Evvaluate lets you compare based on your preference. Second, you don't save money on one item, you save money on the total basket. So let's build a basket the right way. Start by searching for something simple. Let's say apples. You'll see Woolworths products first. Choose the apples you actually want and add them to your basket. Now, remember the second rule. We must compare apples with apples. Switch the store filter to checkers. Select your apples there. Now switch to pick and pay. Select again. Just like that, you've compared apples across all three stores, based on your preference. That's how Evvaluate is meant to be used. Now, let's add another item. Tap the plus button. Search for milk. Again, choose one milk from each store. Now scroll up. You'll instantly see the total basket price per store. Not which apple is cheapest, not which milk is cheapest, but the full basket. This is where the real savings are. But here's where it gets powerful. Go to the cart in the top navigation. You'll see something called the best list. This list automatically tells you, buy apples at Checkers, buy milk at Pick and Pay. It selects the cheapest chosen product for each item across all stores. You'll also see each store ranked from cheapest basket to most expensive. In seconds, you know exactly where to shop. And when you're done, share the list to yourself on WhatsApp. That's been Evvaluate in 100 seconds. For more tutorials, check out our how-to section.